Hey, this is Arshad with Amrita. I started this company in 2012 based on my son's journey with autism.
Good job. You're doing great.
He was a kid with strong gastrointestinal problems, and we realized early on that if we solved his GI issues, we would help him recover faster. And exactly what we did for him is what we're doing with Amrita Foods now. We're creating snacks that are high in protein, plant-based, paleo, without grains, and clean dried fruits and seeds, and are also mostly made without any added sugars.
So I'm a fan. Like I said, I tried a lot of these products, and this one I really appreciate. Also, it's gluten-free, vegan, so check them out.
My emphasis on the next stages with Amrita Foods is to create delicious snacks for active families and benefit the autism community in every which way I can. Please join us in this mission.